Most people don't lose money in crypto because of bad trades. They lose it because they don't understand the wallet that they are using. I'm not a professional advisor, but let's get it on. All right, so this is the landing page of Phantom. A link to this will be in the description of the video. It is designed to solve one of the most common problems in the cryptocurrency adoption. So new users often face confusing wallets, risky configurations, and an overwhelming number of tools and steps. Now, those complexities increase the chance of costly mistakes, and it also discourages everyday users from engaging with Web3. So, Phantom is approaching this challenge by putting simplicity first, and it is offering a wallet experience that reduces the friction and also makes getting started with crypto very intuitive and straight to the point. Now, Phantom is actually a self-custodial cryptocurrency wallet that also allows the users to fully control their private keys and digital assets. Ownership remains entirely to the user, so without reliance on the centralized platform, it is not an exchange, it is not a broker, neither a financial intermediary. So instead, Phantom is serving as a secure interface for interacting directly with the blockchain networks while also maintaining the user autonomy and transparency. Want more leads in niche domination? YTRANKER.net is here to cut the fluff, build real strategies that drive results. Alright guys, so let's start by opening an incognito window, and this keeps our searches clean and free from any biases from previous browsing. So let's go ahead and make sure that the settings for this one is set to English. Alright, so let me go ahead and run a couple of searches. So hi proxies. Who comes up first? Look at that. That's me right there. All right, let's run one last thing and see if this one also gives us a positive result. Bam. Look at that, guys. My thumbnail is ranking at the top of the search results. So that is how you would know that you're doing something right. So, want your business to be the go-to in your industry? It starts with YTRANKER.net, where we take you straight to the top. Let's get back to the video. Now, just an FYI, guys. Phantom Wallet is very famous with the Solana blockchain. So the wallet supports multiple blockchains within a single unified application, and users will be able to manage their tokens and their NFTs side by side through that one clean interface, removing the need to juggle between multiple wallets. Now, this multi-chain capability also allows Phantom to operate across major Web3 ecosystems, and it enables the access to decentralized applications, digital collectibles, otherwise known as the NFTs, and the on-chain interactions without added complexity. Now, you will also be able to access a lot of different information that will give you more idea on who Phantom is. So if you hover over Learn, you have Overview, you have Crypto 101, you have Guides. So these are basically very, very helpful for you to be able to get that full knowledge on who Phantom is, what it does, what are the things that you should know about it. And you also have the Crypto 101 right here. So, I mean, this is particularly very, very helpful for the beginners. Okay, if you are just getting into cryptocurrency right now, then this part of the website will be very, very helpful for you. Now, Phantom's widespread adoption is also driven by its focus on usability and design clarity. So the interface is intentionally clean, and it is reducing the user error, while also transaction details are very clearly displayed before approval. Okay, and that is going to be helpful for you to be able to verify if you are entirely sure that you would like to proceed with the transaction that you're doing. So by prioritizing the transparency and the ease of use, Phantom is already built for everyday cryptocurrency users and not just the experienced traders, which makes it a trusted and popular gateway into the Web3 ecosystem. So, If you are serious about using cryptocurrency long-term, start by choosing a wallet that doesn't confuse you. Learn one tool properly before chasing anything else. And if you are new to the channel, hopefully you would consider clicking that like, that subscribe, and click that bell. That will always be notified when I upload new videos like this in the future. I'll see you on the next. I'm out. Peace.